start.
Hi everyone, I am Girish. I am from Ahmednagar. I take rural education in rural areas. After that, I have come to Pune to complete my degree. I have pursued degree in media graphics and animation. In that degree, I have done graphics, media graphics, video editing, motion graphics, basic web development, and VFX and animation. After that, I have done 3 years job in VFX. In that, I have worked on many Hollywood projects like Marvels and Star Wars, and more than 10 projects it will be. But when I was studying in Pune, I felt like I have more interest in designing. So while working, suddenly I felt like this I don't want to do like a lifetime. So I came here and following my dreams and came to uiux. After that, I have joined here and now I have completed my diploma in uiux. This is the Cater Connect. So I use Sigma, Miro, Photoshop and Google Forms for the project. So how Cater Connect came? So we feel if in metro cities, if anyone have events like birthdays, parties, corporate events like this, so we don't have to book a buffet, or we don't have that much connections we don't have that much connections of catering services or catering providers. So what our Cater Connect will do, Cater Connect will do combine all the services which is located in Pune and overall the cities, metro cities in the India. So basically, this is now at Pune only. So how much catering services in Pune they will collect in on it, and user can easily find it and compare, take reviews from, and easily can book like buffet, how many plates they want, like that. So yeah, this is the problem and how I get the solution. So problem and solution I already explained. This is the design thinking process. Empathize, define, iterate, prototype testing. This is the regular design thinking process. But what I bring so differently. So according to my design thinking process, if we have competitors, then we have to focus more on competitors rather than the don't spend that much time on user research. We can't afford that much time to take reviews and take interviews. So if we already have competitors, then we can focus on their what they have positives and negatives. So we can improve in that, or we can make a proficient or more stronger than that competitor. So yeah, that's my design thinking process. After that, this is the time where I have taken to user experience and interface. So these are the research users where I have taken researches, and after that competitor analysis. I didn't find any directly competitors till now, but there are some indirectly competitors like Cater Ninja, Logist and Brainy Kilo. But the problem is that Cater Ninja and all these competitors have their own catering services only. So if I want to buy or book a buffet, so I have to visit Cater Ninja and I can reliable only on that. But if we came to Cater Connect, we can enjoy with all the catering service providers in our city. We can compare them and book them easily. So we have freedom to choose anyone and which is good in our city. These are a couple of questions which I have taken in survey for qualitative and quantitative researches. So after that, visual persona, Gautam Chopra. This is my fictional character. He is a 32 age, and he is an event planner in Baudan, which is staying in Baudan. So he organized multiple events like corporate events, weddings, and etc. So he wants good services like food services or catering services. So if you want to book, he have only 2 to 3 contact numbers if he have. But if we get a Cater Connect, then we can easily compare all these things and we can easily book. So this is the challenges where Gautam Chopra find themselves like frustrating all this stuff. But if he came to Katakana, he can easily find how he customize it, how he want to put like customizable. And this is the catering service provider to Sarkara. So he is the provider for he want more customers. But for that he want to for that he want to go directly to catering service and advertise and do advertising and visit there directly, or else he can give his business card. But if he came to our Cater Connect, then he can directly show their catering services, and people can easily handle it and easily access it. So he will get more customers from here, and not lengthy process like you don't want to go there. Yeah, this is the image mapping. So how my customers say, think, feeds, does. So all points I have mentioned here for customer side also and catering owner also. So this is card sorting. This is made by I have mentioned live screen walkthrough, sign up, login, all these, and all these categories by labeling main categories and differentiate well by doing card sorting. After that we come to task flow and user flow. Here we can see how user can start his journey, how can he log in, and how can he end with his process till the payment and use. So after that information architecture is there. Here I have put and arranged all the content by labeling it. So if you come to typography, I have used a bench script font for it. Font for it I use is a family like semi-light, regular, semi-bold and bold. These are the main colors I use in my application, which is red, green, black, and some shades of black like grey. Some icons are there, and I followed the grid system like 800 pixels by 360 pixels. These are the mid fidelity wireframes. After that we can come to visual design. Home page is there. So if a user came to home page, user can easily access the search bar, which is located in right side corner, top corner of the home screen. Cursor is there. Cursor will show trading, which is the trading catering services available in our city, or recommendation from our catering services. Catering. So these are the information which is located in home page. These are some onboarding fields. After that, all screens. These are the onboarding screens are there. After that, home page, and after home page we can, if we came to simplify catering service, which is located in Kotor, we can customize our plate according to our what we want. So this is number of guests, how much plates of guests we want, times and dates is there, and this is the plates and menu cards. So here veg menu is also there, non-veg also there. These are the metro cities, some of the metro cities where we are going to spread our catering. And this is the payment method. That's it. This is my first uiux case study, so I know some problems and what can you say, problems and feedback is there. So can you please start with the questions?
So you come from animation background?
Yes, yes.
So why you decide to switch in uiux?
Like I said, back of the mind I am thinking like I have to do design because when I was studying pursuing degree, that time only I realized my background, my design background was very good rather than some relative pressure. I have to go there to win there in their field. But that work I don't want to do for a lifetime. I have to follow my dreams and what specialties I have.
What is user experience?
User experience. User experience means we will do all the surveys. We will find the competitors. We will find competitors. We study them. We will find their strength and weaknesses. After that, we will do interview surveys and some like this thing and like I'm pretty much user persona.
What is demographic information?
Sorry.
Demographic information.
Demographic information will contain user or any other like my demographic information means my age, my personality, like my age, where I am located. And,
Why it's important?
so we know if I know my target where which target audience I have to target, or which audience I have to target, which age group. So we can target easily.
I read that you skip some UX points because you directly target your competitive competitors, right? Can you explain this?
According to my design thinking, I felt like personally, if we have competitors, then why we spend that much time in taking interviews, taking surveys? So if we have competitors, we have already that much data in our like competitors. So we can easily find their where they are studying, what is their strength. So we can easily make their according to their strength and weaknesses. So if we obviously we can do user surveys and interviews. I think personally don't waste that much time. So we cut off that time from there to user computer design. That was my first question.
So you can skip UX from UI.
No, I am not thinking saying like that. You can skip. I'm skipping.
What is USP of your project?
My USP is like catatonic is ongoing like metrocity. So like we say we have a computer indirectly computer, but if my wedding is there, so I can't go to and I can't call to 10 like service providers. So and I can't book directly without taking reviews or like this thing. So what category is doing is gathering all this all the data connections in the city where they are located and providing all data in the open application. So we can easily we can find it and compare it.
There are two colors, red and green.
Yes.
What's the reason of two colors?
Yeah. Firstly, red is for representing knowledge, green is representing veg, and the other reason is red is if we see like with the big brands, Zomato, they are using red and all because it feels like we get hunger. It increases hunger, and for green, the main reason is for it represents freshness.
Practically it looks good in your perspective or US.
Currently it's my first project, so I don't think that much. As of my experience, it's not good. You can find more information rather than
You are not user of your own application.
yes, sir.
Personally, red color is not very desired.
Okay.
You choose both colors are very wide.
Okay.
Show me the skills clearly. You score really fast. See the font selection. You select the font, scroll